Where does the name for the River Derwent, or possibly in Welsh the Afon Derwenydd, come from? So today I'm in the north of England, in Cumberland, and this river behind me is called the River Derwent. Let's get into the name.
The River Derwent is one of the major rivers in Cumbria, rising amongst the high fells around Stye Head in the heart of the Lake District. It flows north through Borrowdale before passing through Derwent Water and Bassenthwaite Lake. From there it turns west, running through Keswick and Cockermouth, where it's joined by the River Cocker, before crossing the coastal plain and emptying into the Irish Sea at Workington. The name is fascinating in itself. Derwent comes from the Brittonic Derwentio, meaning something like the River of the Oaks or the Oak River. You can still see the same root in the modern Welsh word derw, meaning oak. The river even has a Welsh name, Afon Derwenydd. An ancient lullaby known as Pais Dinogad mentions an Afon Derwenydd, although scholars aren't certain whether it refers to this Derwent or the River Derwent further east, in the Old Kingdom of Northumbria. For thousands of years, the River Derwent has shaped the landscape and settlement of western Cumbria. Its valley provided routes through the mountains, connecting the communities of the Lake District with the coast, whilst its waters supported farming, fishing and industry. The river's name is a reminder that long before English was spoken here, this was a Brittonic-speaking landscape, and names like Derwent preserve traces of the people and languages that came before. The story of the Derwent is in many ways the story of Cumbria itself. From its ancient Brittonic name to the valleys and towns that grew along its course, the river connects the natural world with thousands of years of human history. Although the Cumbric language has disappeared, the words it left behind still survive in the names around us, flowing through history just like the river itself.
So the name probably means something like the River of the Oak Trees. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, like today, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch. Have a good one.